So how you can maximize your profits with affiliate marketing using Google Ads. As you can see here on my screen, I had $12,458, right, in 12 days. So basically averaging 1,000 US dollars per day. Now I did this using Google Ads, my own personal strategy. But in this video, I want to show you step by step actually what it actually takes in 3 steps to get results with any affiliate marketing product out there. So if you are newbie watching this video, if you're promoting ClickBank or any other affiliate network, affiliate marketing network, then watch this video until the end, because I'm going to reveal to you exactly what am I doing. So let's go straight into it. As you can see here, right, the first thing that is really important is having a product. So by product, I don't mean the offer. Product and offer are totally different things, different stuff. So what kind of product? I would suggest you, if you're newbie, this is a product that's paying $250 to $2,000 US per sale. Why? Because you want to have high margins. You have to have big ticket commissions, right? As you know, the ad cost is going up. People are paying more and more for click. So if you're getting higher commissions, higher payouts, the ad spend is irrelevant. Why? Because if you are getting $2,000 per sale or $1,000 per sale, you can afford to spend $50 or $200 for ads on Google Ads or Facebook ads, right? Or YouTube ads, in this case Google Ads, and get still huge commissions back. But if you were to promote, let's say, $37 ebook, and you spend $40, you're the minus, you're in the debt on your credit card. So I suggest you start with something that's paying higher commissions, so you can afford as a newbie to spend more on ads, right? And make higher commissions back, of course. So high quality product, and I would say evergreen, right? Evergreen product where people are already spending money every single day, hand over fist, right? Like for example, iPhone. People don't have to convince people to buy iPhone, or Tinder, dating, making money online, trading, crypto, Bitcoin. All of this stuff work. People are already investing money into these things, right? Also weight loss supplements. It already works. You don't have to convince people to lose weight. The desire is already there. It's just about you to represent the right offer. So another thing over here, as you can see, it's offer. It's important. What is offer? Offer is offering and positioning, pre-selling your offer, right? For example, prospect can say, I'd be an idiot to buy this, I'd be a fool to buy this, or they can say, I'd be an idiot not to buy this, right? So this is 100% hell yes offer. Very important how you're positioning your offer. This is the second thing, right? Offering is very, very important, and I'm showing this step by step to my students every single day how it works and how they can position their offer correctly so that they can start generating huge commissions and not be worried about traffic, right? Because if you position your offer correctly, then of course you're gonna get more sales and conversions. And the last thing is traffic, right? Traffic. So as I said, we use Google Ads, right? Google Ads in 2023. Why? Because it's all about buyers' intent. People are on Google to look for the solutions, to search for the solutions to the problems. That's why Google AdSense, or let's say Google pay-per-click, Google PPC, right? That's the short term, PPC. If you're affiliate marketer, you know it means Google pay-per-click. Because of buyer's intent, it's very important, right? Because people are already there to search for the solutions to their pains and problems. So if your ad appears there, if you take the opt-in, if you build your email list, you have the asset, then you can step by step scale up and get results. So you just send traffic to your affiliate link, every single day, right? So as I say, always be in front of the money in niche markets. I'm always trying to say this to my students and clients, because always you have to position yourself in niches, like I said before, if you remember, where people are already spending, willingly handing over their money, hand over fist, wanting to buy stuff, right? Because it's gonna make your job 10 times easier as an affiliate, rather than trying to do all the marketing and persuasion to buy your products or services, right? So what to do next? If you're watching this video and if you want to get the results with Google Ads in 2023, with ClickBank or affiliate marketing, then just click the link to this video, connect with me one-on-one on social media, Instagram, WhatsApp, or email, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips, so you can start basically building up your marketing budget and start generating these $1,000 or $2,000 days. Like I said here, if you remember, if you have a product that's paying $250 to $2,000, you're gonna get higher profits, higher margins, and be able to afford to spend more on Google Ads. So again, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.